I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Some refrigerators have a reservoir that ensures cold water is available on demand. If the reservoir is cracked or is leaking water, then it will have to be replaced. In this episode, I'll show you how to install a new water reservoir. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver and an adjustable wrench. You might also need a bucket, plastic container, and a cloth. Keep in mind there is some variation between models, and not all refrigerators will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website to see a parts breakdown. This can be helpful to show you which parts are in your refrigerator and where they are located. First, slide the refrigerator out from the wall. When there is enough room, unplug the cord to disconnect the power. In some models, you might need to remove the water supply line to gain access to the back. Close the shutoff valve to turn off the water supply. Next, use an adjustable wrench to loosen and remove the supply line. Let any remaining water drain into a plastic container. Now, slide the fridge all the way out so you have plenty of room to work. On the back of the refrigerator is an access panel. Use a 1/4 inch nut driver to remove the screws. Now simply lift up to remove the panel. First, remove the shelves. Next, press down on the tab and disconnect the water line. Let any water drain into the container. In some models, the incoming water line is built into the reservoir. Follow the line to the water valve. Press down on the tab and disconnect the water line. Let any water drain into the bucket. Next, remove the mounting screws. If needed, separate the styrofoam block. Pull the attached water line into the fridge. Now remove the reservoir. If your model has a built-in water line, then you'll have to feed it through to the back. Align the new reservoir into the mount. Next, tighten the screws. Reconnect the outgoing water line. Finally, replace the shelving. Now, connect the line to the water valve. Align the back panel onto the mounting tabs. Now tighten the screws. Reconnect the water supply and tighten the connection. Open the shutoff valve. Plug in the cord to reconnect the power. Now slide it back into place. Make sure to leave a couple of inches of space between the refrigerator and the wall. This will allow for proper airflow. Now test the refrigerator to see if it's working properly. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.